Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, and this is Raihan. We are going to review VIVO V21. The design of the VIVO V21 immediately reminds me of the VIVO V20. Super sleek, premium feel all around. But VIVO V21 is actually slimmer than the VIVO V20. VIVO is calling the back most advanced edgy matte glass that is scratch resistant. You already know how matte colors hide fingerprint smudges. But the shape of the frame is a little bit look like iPhone 12. It is lightweight as accepted. A headphone jack couldn't fit the frame, so they cut it out. It has two pretty colors, which are dusk blue and another one is sunset dazzle. On the front you have a 6.44-inch Full HD AMOLED screen which are 1080p and it has 90Hz refresh rate. On the top it has a water drop notch that houses a 44-megapixel camera with dual flash. On the back you have a 64-megapixel triple camera setup with flash and some VIVO branding. On the right you have your volume rocker key and a textured power button. On the left you have nothing. On the top you have a noise cancellation microphone. On the bottom you have a hybrid SIM tray, a microphone hole, USB Type-C and a loudspeaker. SIM tray that hold two 4G nano SIM or one SIM card and one SD card. If we discuss about the display, you got the same old school notch that the V20 had, but the bezels and chins have lost a bit. Same screen size on a smaller frame. It makes sense. The VIVO V21 comes with 128 gigs of storage and 8 gigs of RAM. You got 100 gigs of available storage. The VIVO V20 uses the MediaTek Dimensity 800U CPU that clocked at 4 GHz. And it is running Android 11 with FunTouch version 11.1 which are slapped on top of it. The fingerprint sensor is situated underneath the display, which is a pretty good feature at this price. The VIVO V21 is powered by a 4000 mAh battery which is below average for 2021, but in terms battery life this gave me 12 hours of screen on time with 10% left to spare. Color looks super vibrant and punchy, which is characteristic of AMOLED display. At last, if we talk about benchmark, this phone VIVO V21 has scored on AnTuTu benchmark 3000 and 36,699 and Geek benchmark 6516. If you guys thinking that you should buy it or not, I think it's all up to you. If you are a heavy gamer, you should have with it, or if you are just a normal user, you can go with it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon.